Hi guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you what is going to be my finale for Throwback 30 Project Pan. So if you want to hear all of my reasons why and see everything that I've been working on, the progress that I've made, I did hit some goals, then let's go ahead and just get right on into it. This goes from July 28th of 2025 to July 28th of this year. It was created by Jessica Lee and is a Pantastic Ladies Collab. All the pertinent information will be in the description box down below. This is created because you can't take part in everything, so these are the top 30 projects voted in on the group. I randomized my prompt for each of the projects applicable, and I randomized my usages as well. And then I did it rolling style. I rolled in 6 prompts every update until they were all rolled in. So I think that is it. My hands are freezing. So let's just go ahead and get on into the progress that I've made. And then I've got some fails as well, which is a-okay. I'm ending this project because I'll only be working on 2 prompts after my rollouts, and once I get down to 2 prompts, like 3 prompts or less in a project, I don't see the point in finishing it out. I don't know why I'm like that. I know that that's annoying, and it's probably annoying for you guys, for me to not finish out projects. But for this project, because I'm going to try to be better about finishing out my projects and really sticking it out till the end with all of my prompts. But for this project in particular, the last 2 prompts that I have are eyeshadows, and I just want to minimize the eyeshadow that I'm working on. So I'm just going to be done with this project. I'm happy with all the progress that I made. I got 28 out of the 30 prompts done and completed. So it is what it is, and I'm okay with that. Can't win them all, and I rarely ever win any of them because I usually quit early. It's just who I am. So for Birthstone Beauty, I randomized my birthstone, and I got the birthstone Opal, which came from my Cosmic Beauty Serenity palette. I have been working on this shade right here, which is coincidentally also called Opal. It is beautiful. I've been using it as an inner corner highlight. It's not what's on my inner corner today, but I did use it twice in February and once in March to reach my 14 use goal, and I got this guy rolled out. So this is a goal met. Look at that dip. You can clearly see the nice big fingerprint size dip in that pan. So I got my 14 uses. Here, just for continuity's sake, we will highlight my prompts. Then for That's So 2000s, I think it was something blinding or some sort of highlight. So I brought in my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in the shade Ice Cold, which I am wearing today for the very last time. I used it twice in February and twice in March to reach my 15 use goal. And as you can see, we have a nice big dent because this guy was brand new. So we have a nice dent on the top of that star there. I am very happy with hitting my goal on this guy and the progress that I made. So that is another goal met and a roll out. Then we have 50 Shades of Pink, which is just to roll in something pink. As you can see, the lipstick bullet is pink, but the lipstick inside is not. This is Jeffree Star Cosmetics Gravedigger, which is this beautiful dark gray. I love this lipstick so much. And I used it twice in February to reach my 10 use goal, and I met that goal on the 19th of February. Oh, I met my goal on the other 2 the 2nd of March. So this is a goal met and a roll out. I was really close on all 3 of those prompts, so it is not a surprise to me that those are rollouts. Now the next 2, I'm nowhere near close, and they are eyeshadows, and I'm good. I don't want to work on them. They're shades that I also am just not feeling and not gravitating towards, which is why I haven't used them. So I don't want to force myself to use them. Could I roll in something else for these prompts and get 100% on this project? I could. But at this point, I don't want to. I'm good with calling this project done. So for Zodiac Project Pan, I got Pisces, I believe. So I rolled in from my Blend Bunny Sugar and Grunge because I was already working on this palette, which you've already seen in my Project Pan that I did finally hit pan on my shade Drew. But for this project, I was working on the shade Ironic, which is this beautiful light green. And I'm not feeling it. I want to put this palette away. Like, that's the long and the short with this palette, is I just want to put it away. I've had it out for 6 months trying to hit pan on Drew, and now that I've hit pan on it, I want to put it away. I've used it once, and that was in 2025. I have not used it in the new year, this shade. And I have a 14 use goal on it. It took me 22 uses to hit pan on that. So like, no, I'm good. So we're gonna say that this one's fail. And I'm gonna put my Blend Bunny palette away. But I'm sure I'll have a really good weight change because I hit pan. But it's not because of any use on that Ironic shade. So, but that'll be fun for me to see and for you guys to see. And last but not least, we have 50 Shades of Yellow or Gold. And I brought out my Cosmic Beauty Serenity palette again because I figured I was already working on Opal. I might as well work on the gold as well, Odyssey. It is just, let me swatch it for you. I have a 7-use goal and I haven't touched it. Now, when it comes to golds, this is a gold that I do like. It's a more like white gold than a yellow gold. Like it's on that cusp. It is a gold that I find very pretty. I'm not a gold wearer. I would much rather, if I'm going to reach in, I also don't think the gold goes with this palette. I just don't. If I'm going to reach into this palette for an inner corner shade, I'm going to use Opal. And that's how I would use this gold shade, is as an inner corner because it's so bright and shiny. And I just would never reach for it. And I don't think about golds to pull them out. Like, I think about silvers. When I'm doing looks and putting looks together, I think about my white-based eyeshadows. I think about my silvers because I'm a silver lover. But I don't think about golds. I'm not like, ooh, let me pull that gold out. I never think about that, ever, in the history of ever. Do you know how hard it is to reach for my golds in my Haunted Europe palette? And I have 2 golds in that palette that I have to use. So, I have a 7-use goal on Odyssey, and I haven't touched it. Haven't used it once. So, I'm okay with putting those 2 palettes away. I can put them both away. Well, I can't put Serenity away because I'm still working on the shade Awake in another project, but that's fine. I'm still okay with having this palette out. It still works with the other palettes I'm working on. But I'm just trying to condense and minimize the palettes that are in my drawer that I'm working on because I feel a little overwhelmed with palettes and I kind of want to dibble-dabble a little bit, and I just don't feel like I can currently. So I hope you guys aren't mad that I'm calling this done, but I've given you my reasons on why, and I think they're good reasons. I just am not gravitating towards those 2 shades, but I did hit 3 goals this month. We got the goal on Opal, we got the goal on the highlighter, and the goal on the lipstick. I'm at 28 out of 30. I am very happy with that. So that is going to do it for my finale for Throwback 30. I hope you guys enjoyed, and that's going to do it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.